What is the most important point? That nowadays in all over the world, whenever two countries meet together, they join together, they first talk on trading, how to increase business. Purpose is how to increase revenue, money. Money is very important, but how to get money, that is the important point. If you have opened a company, you are making something, if production cost is 1 rupee, we are selling in 60 rupees, then remember, will be dangerous condition. All persons related with the profit, their mind power will be weak, reasoning power will be weak, vitality will be less, immunity will be less, and have all kind of sufferings, and the evil souls will incarnate in the family to create further problem. We have created temple. Imagine that if nobody have any offering, you will find that number of temples will reduce very quickly. If you are collecting the money by the wrong practice of spirituality, having the incorrect money by the wrong publicity about God, about nature, about this, about that, then that kind of money will be very, very dangerous. Now come to the next point. If we become king or leader of the country, chief minister, prime minister or president or any minister, member of parliaments, MLAs, anything, by misusing the power, if you are collecting the money will be very dangerous. It will reduce the power of mind and reasoning. It will reduce the whole personality, and all family members associated with that money, they will go in the wrong direction. We do not want such money. We want money which is effective, which is good, which should increase our power of mind and reasoning, which should increase our vitality, which should increase our immunity, and which should be helpful for all. I think nobody is interested to get money in the wrong way, by the wrong means. Now I want to know that, do you know any person who became very rich and is rich today, and the money used, that money if it used by fellows, by friend circle, family members, and by using those money becoming wiser and wiser, better and better? Anybody knows it? A rich person in the world, king, Paramahansa Yogananda. Very rich person. Lot of money flows to him. He created mansion, many mansion, big place, huge amount of money. All persons called spiritual family were dedicated to Yogananda, doing service with the Yogananda. All are using those money. They are becoming wiser and wiser, better and better, good and good. What the nice way to get the money in this way? He never asked money. He never did business. He never cheated anybody. He never took money in any wrong direction. Whole life was offering free services, and through that he became rich. Till today he is the richest person on this earth. Accumulated a lot of funds, came automatically to him. All those monies are used by great persons, wise persons, and all are moving ahead. What is the important point I am explaining? Paramahansa Yogananda is one example in all over the world. The huge money came to him, and still money is growing. All fellows around him, they are becoming wiser and wiser, greater and greater. What he did, seeking God each and every moment, and he never tried to misguide anyone without entering into samadhi. He never taught Kriya Yoga to anyone. Moment he entered into samadhi, then he is spread in all over the world. Many teachers in all over the world, they do not know the science. They will read little bit. They will have imaginary, illusionary description. They keep on spreading. They go into wrong direction. They become poor, and after leaving, institution disappears. Many persons who left, institution disappeared. Yogananda left, institution is growing. Then what he did, very simple thing, seeking God each and every moment, in every way, with all strength, with all power. This is what he did. I am going to tell you the same. Many persons in all over the world, they became preacher, spiritual master. When they departed, institution collapsed. Big fight inside for the money. Siddhi Yogananda, he left. After his leaving, institution is expanding, becoming richer and richer. There is no internal fight. Many are very, very wise and wisest. You see the lecture of the Jailin, Dr. Louis Dayamata. Nobody claimed that they know God. They claimed that my master were knowing God. They are spreading the teaching of Yogananda. Therefore it is spreading. Moment they will say, I am the knower, institution will collapse. They have never tried to misguide anyone, otherwise you will be very, very poor. Anyone who misguided others, go to the church, go to the temple, go to the here, go to there, and you will find that your problems will disappear and you will have favor of God. All those persons, they created big mess, their life distorted, and everywhere became bad and bad, all persons who followed that. Therefore, seeking God is good, but never try to misguide. Go here, go there. Taking body here and there, you cannot find God. You have to place your mind on head to toe, seek God within. If anything other than this is being spread by anyone, is inviting suffering up to the highest grade. What is the highest grade suffering? I am ignorant, I am not knowing I am ignorant. This is the greatest suffering. I do not know anything, but I feel that I know everything. This is greatest suffering. Ignorance is the greatest suffering. If you are not having one-pointed devotion in God, you will not feel presence of God. And whatever money you will earn, that will work like termites, that will eat the personality of self, our bones and body and muscles and skin. How to understand it more clearly? If you love someone very deeply, if that person is telling, please stay here, I will come. And if that person will say, if you will move from here, I will never come. If you have deep love for anyone, and you are sitting there waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, that person is not coming, still you will keep on waiting. 1 day, 2 days, 1 year, 2 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, 80 years, 90 years, that person did not come. How to do? No, still sit. Try to increase patience up to the last breath. that you have deep love, that person will come. Oh, now I am just going to leave body, now it did not come. Don't worry, but do not move. Such great devotion we need in God, then you will find God. Try to love anyone, that person will not go away from you, 100% guarantee. Paramahansa Yogananda loved mother very deeply. Mother died, left body. But the great love of Paramahansa Yogananda, she resurrected. She came and blessed. How mother can go if Yogananda is having deep love for that? When my grandmother died, I was having very deep love. Just the moment after departure, she resurrected to me in Hyderabad. After that, my life changed immediately. I left studies, I came back. If you love someone, it is impossible that that person will not be with you. It is impossible. You have to love God like this. Feel head to toes, God is within. Then how you can forget head to toes? When you are walking, how you can forget each and every point of both legs, back, abdomen, chest and arms, neck, face and head? How to forget breath? You cannot forget it. If you are forgetting, it means you are not having deep love for God. Then you will remain poor. If you are going to collect the money, that money will spoil your personality and the home, both. Now we are ready to seek God within. आँखों को बंद कर ली.